In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pepperstone Demo Account. A demo account is the safest way to learn the ropes of trading. It mirrors live market conditions, real-time prices, charts, and order execution, while using virtual funds so you can practice without risking real money. Think of it as your trading sandbox, perfect for exploring platforms, testing strategies, and building confidence. First, create your demo account on the Pepperstone website. Look for the option to start a demo and complete the short sign-up form with your basic details. You'll then choose your setup. Select a trading platform such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, TradingView, or Pepperstone's own web or mobile platform. Pick your account type, standard or razor, your base currency and initial virtual balance, and the leverage you want to practice with. Leverage increases your buying power, so choose a level that reflects how you'd trade live. Submit the form, and Pepperstone will send you your demo login credentials. If you already have a live profile, you can also open new demos from your client area under the Demo section. Next, install or open your chosen platform. You can download the desktop app, use a web trader in your browser, or go mobile. As you set up, make sure you select the demo environment and the correct Pepperstone server if prompted, so your platform connects to the right place. Now, log in to your demo account. Launch the platform, choose the demo option, and sign in with the credentials you received. You'll see your virtual balance in the account window. From here, you're ready to practice. Start by exploring the instruments available: Forex pairs, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, and more. Then place a few small trades to learn the workflow. Try market and limit orders, add stop losses and take profits, and watch how they behave as prices move. Treat this like the real thing. Use realistic position sizes, set consistent risk per trade, and track your results. A great habit is to keep a simple journal of what you traded, why, and how it turned out so you can refine your strategy. Finally, manage your demo as your needs evolve. You can maintain multiple demo accounts, for example, one per strategy or platform. Note that some demos expire after a period of inactivity, MT4 and MT5 commonly within a couple of months, while CTrader tends to remain active as long as you log in. If you run out of virtual funds, you can usually request a top-up through your client area or by contacting support. And if you want different settings, it's often quickest to open a fresh demo with new parameters. Use your demo to build skill and discipline. When your approach is consistent, you'll be better prepared for live trading.